In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find your Shopify store URL. Now, if you're wondering where to find your Shopify store URL, you must first head over to the Shopify dashboard. From here, I'd recommend you go to the bottom left corner and click on settings, and from there on the left hand side you should be able to see this option that says domains, and when we click on that it will show us all of the domains that we own for our Shopify store. So if you haven't yet added a custom domain, yours will be something like this, which is actually the type of domain that Shopify gives you for free. So if you haven't added your own custom domain, you can click on this one here, and then this right here is your Shopify store URL. And from here you can simply copy it just like that and paste it wherever it needs to be. Now if you have added a custom domain and you can see it in this list, you want to look for this text that says primary for online store, because this will be the main domain that your Shopify store uses as its URL. Now if you wanted to find your Shopify store URL for a specific page on your site, you could go over to online store and go down to pages, and then you can choose to view the page in which you're trying to find the URL for. So I'm now on the contact page of my store, and if I wanted the URL for this, I could simply go up to the top and copy it. So that's how you can find your Shopify store URL. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.